my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. ICE Brent crude oil futures. A second consecutive bullish white soldier yesterday, but interestingly, it was an unusual key reversal up as well. As it came after the previous session was, it came because the previous session was an up day, which is unusual. It was nevertheless the second consecutive close over the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 90.57, and the first close over the lesser Fibonacci lines at 92.07 and 92.24. It was also a first try to fill in the change gap between 93.33 to 94.90 made last month. Overall, we still have overhead target X in the 98 even area, the target for the late June to late September bullish halfway hesitation. Now, prices almost reached it back then, but not quite. Now, I'm wondering now as to the effectiveness of such a pattern topside at this moment, and I may retire it soon. Now, so far today, a further, if smaller, move higher, up to the lesser Fibonacci line at 93.74 and towards the middle time overhead, currently 94.34 of the newly drawn mid-August to early October bullish Andrews pitchfork. Spot gold. A third bullish white soldier yesterday and a suitable follow-on to the previous session's very dramatic bullish opening white Mariposa. This prior action had in one day set in play a potential significant move for the end of this month. Before that, yesterday was also the first close over the 2021 high at 1959 and the November 2020 high at 1965, plus the second consecutive close over both the flatlining long moving average, currently at 1931, and the upper trend line, currently at 1936 of the August base sideways triangle. That's a triangle that had its targets fulfilled on the downside back at the turn of the month. We now have the September 2020 high overhead at 1992. Okay, so back to what the day before yesterday's actions means for this month. Now, with this move up, we are set for a possible monthly key reversal for October. So, should we close on Tuesday night, the 31st of October, either over 1940 or under 1948, then we'd be on. Anything in between and we'd have the lesser outside month pattern. Well, right now we're looking at a monthly key reversal up for October. Now, so far today, a further small compared to recent days, small move higher. We're now approaching the July high at 1987. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.